What if I told you that the most popular pocket camera in the world has just been spotted in the wild before its official launch? Not a blurry photo or a factory rumor, but real hands-on footage from a DJI authorized retailer. Yes, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just speculation. It is real, it is powered on, and it is closer than we think. For months, creators have been waiting for a Pocket 4 refresh. After the huge success of the Pocket 3, expectations were sky high. Many thought we might not see a new model until late 2026, but this leak proves DJI is moving faster than anyone expected. The story itself is wild. A customer walked into a DJI authorized store in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, at Fahrenheit 88 in Bukit Bintang, holding the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 4. The staff were so surprised that they quickly recorded a 33-second video and uploaded it to Instagram. The video was soon deleted, but the frames spread online fast. The design looks authentic, the build feels final, and this is clearly a retail-ready unit, not a prototype. Leaks from official retailers usually mean one thing: a launch is very close. Companies rarely ship final hardware before an announcement. Seeing it powered on in a store confirms the Pocket 4 is almost here. The first thing you notice is the classic 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Even in a short retail clip, the camera looks incredibly smooth. No shake, no jitter, just that floating cinematic look the Pocket series is known for. Travel vloggers and content creators who shoot while moving will love this. The flip-out OLED screen is still there, offering flexible shooting for vertical or selfie mode. The physical joystick remains, allowing precise control over framing without relying on touch alone. But the biggest upgrade is obvious at first glance: the built-in LED light. This is a game changer for low-light shooting. Late-night vlogs, indoor content, or dimly lit restaurants no longer require extra clip-on lights. It's built right into the body, keeping the camera compact and easy to carry. Now the big question: are we getting 6K? Early leaks and an accidental Amazon Denmark listing suggest the standard Pocket 4 might top out at 4K, but with an impressive 240 FPS for super slow motion. High frame rates can be more useful than higher resolution, allowing creative slow-motion shots without huge storage demands. The timing matches the March 2026 shipping date suggested by the listing, aligning perfectly with the Malaysia sighting. Battery life is also improved, rumored to jump from 1300 mAh to 1545 mAh, giving over 200 minutes of filming compared to 166 minutes on the Pocket 3. Wi-Fi 6 support for faster transfers and a brighter OLED screen for outdoor shooting make this upgrade even more appealing. The autofocus and AI tracking look fast and reliable, even in the short clip. For solo creators, this means smoother footage and better subject tracking while moving. The Pocket 4 feels like a thoughtful evolutionary upgrade: better battery, built-in lighting, high frame rate video, and faster connectivity. DJI focused on features that make creators' lives easier rather than chasing headline specs. For new buyers, this could become the ultimate pocket gimbal camera. If you already own a Pocket 3, consider whether low-light performance and slow-motion upgrades are enough to justify upgrading, or if you might wait for a rumored Pro model later. So, what do you think? Is the built-in LED enough to make you upgrade? Or are you holding out for higher specs? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all DJI news, make sure to subscribe, share this video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support keeps us bringing you the latest tech leaks and first looks before anyone else.